Hey guys, hope everyone's good. Hope everyone's well. My name is Kofi Ajiman. I'm a Platinum 5000 in this company of AME Finance, aka Team Excel, aka I Am Mastery Academy. Guys, I'm excited to be presenting today. I'm excited to drop some nuggets. I'm excited to give value. All right. I always start off with gratitude, and I can see in the chat box people are grateful. Just put one more thing, please. Put one more thing. Tell me why you are grateful today. Tell me why you are grateful today. Let me pin this video. Just one thing of why you are grateful. Let me see. God is faithful to me and your family. Amazing. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. The sun is shining. Yes, it is. For this opportunity. Yes, yeah, amazing, amazing, amazing. All right, guys. I always start off with this. Share, share, share. Share this. Tag me on Instagram. Okay, follow me on Instagram. All right. So, because someone put my tag name in there. I think it's at Kofi_Texel. At Kofi_TEXCEL. Okay. Someone write that in the chat box. Share this opportunity. Share this presentation. I'm still trying to work out how to do go live, Facebook Live. I've paid for it. I've upgraded, but yeah, it's not actually working for me. I don't know why. But it's not actually working for me. I'm excited to be on this platform. I'm excited to be with you guys because I just want to drop some nuggets that I'm learning along the way as becoming a professional trader. Thank you, Charlie. I'm becoming a professional trader, and I just want to drop what I'm learning on the way just to help you guys. When I first started, I didn't have anyone helping me. And so I really want to make sure I give back. As I said, I'm a Platinum 5000 in the company. That simply means I earn a residual income of 5,000 a month, which is 60,000 a year. I want to drum this in because the power of sharing this is amazing. People need to learn how to trade. People need this skill set. Why? Because we're taught to consume, we're taught to spend, we're not taught to invest. Who understands what I'm saying? We're taught to spend, we're taught to consume, but we're not taught to invest. And the whole point of trading is to multiply your income steadily over time. Write the word steadily, please. Write the word steadily. Steadily over time. Amazing. Whilst you're there, guys, I'm just going to set a stop loss in one of my trades. Let me just have a look at my screen. Just going to set a stop loss. 1, 2, 4, 5, 2. I'm still here. So today's topic is effort versus reward. Please write that down, please. Effort versus reward. We always say note takers and the money makers. Who understands that? Why note takers are the money makers? Put a 5 in the chat box if you understand why we say note takers are the money makers. Yeah, it's simply because, that's it, thank you for Charlie. You will only retain like 5% of what you hear in any given moment. Okay, you're only gonna retain 5%. Effort versus reward. When it comes to trading, I'm writing my notes as well. When it comes to trading, your effort doesn't necessarily equal your reward. Write that down. When it comes to trading, your effort doesn't necessarily equal your reward. Who understands that? You can put in all the effort that you want. You can do all the analysis. You can spend as much time as you want. It doesn't necessarily equal results. Who understands that? So point number one, let's write this down. Write this, you know, guys, I repeat a lot. Okay, repetition leads to your reputation. So write this: learn, unlearn, relearn. And you might think, why is Kofi always talking like a stuck record? Why am I? Because it's something called our psychology. It's something called our heart, which is where our mind is placed. Okay? Our heart is where our mind is placed. Let me explain. Our heart is where our mind is placed. Write that down, please. Our heart. The good book says this: out of the heart flow the issues of life. So your mind is where your heart is, and your heart is where your mind is. That's why the good book says this: guard your heart with all diligence. So guard your mindset. So what happens when it comes to what we've been taught throughout our years, our decades, is that we're taught a certain way. And because we have repeated that over and over and over again, we believe it to be true. Okay, we believe it to be true, we understand it to be true, and there's nothing else that can be correct, because that is the only way forward. And so now you come into the world of trading, you're now thinking, wait, hold on. Every time I'm spending hours marking up the charts, so every time I'm putting my stop loss in, it's still hitting it. I don't understand. Why is it hitting my stop loss? Literally, why is it hit my stop loss? Why is it every single time I put the effort in, I'm spending hours, it's still hitting my stop loss? Who's had that? Who's put in hours of effort and it still hits the stop loss? Let me see. Is there anyone that I'm talking to that's real? Anyone I'm talking to that's real? And it still hits stop loss. Same. Okay, and the reason I'm saying that, Druven raised his hand. The reason I'm saying that, you've got to take everything that you've learned from the school system, you've got to get rid of it. You have to get rid of it. When it comes to the world of trading, only when it comes to the world of trading, because trading is nothing to do with what you've been taught. You have to learn a whole new world of concepts and ideas. So someone write this down. A whole new world. Ah, Gemma, welcome, Gemma. A whole new world of concepts and ideas. Welcome to 60 people that are on this call, 10:20 a.m. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah. A whole new world of concepts and ideas. So trading is not like anything else. And I want to be very clear, and I want to explain that to people that think they can become a six-figure earner in the world of work, in the marketplace, and then come to trading and be like, well, I know how to make money, therefore I'm going to make money trading. That's incorrect. That is the biggest deception possible. It's not the case. Who understands? Mashali's like jokers. I'm saying that joker there, jokers. You are joker. You are joking. You are joking with yourself. Hey, you know what? Every time I do these Zooms, I lose one of my trades. I'm not trading on a Tuesday. I'm not going to do it no more. I swear, because I'm giving all these nuggets, I'm getting attacked. I tell you, if people have been in my trading group, I've been hitting TPs, TP. Every time I do one of these Zooms, I hit stop loss. And let me tell you why. Because there's no guarantee. Someone write in the chat box, no guarantee. No guarantee. Amazing, no guarantee. That's why I say this again, write this word down: structure, discipline, order. Now, if you're getting tired of me saying the same thing, it needs to be drummed into your mindset so you can become a successful and professional trader. Who understands that? Who understands that? Successful, professional trader. Wow. You have to understand that. So let's write a few key things down. Point number one, or it's probably point number two. The market has variables. Write that down. The market has variables. Hey, Carl, which part don't you understand about there's no guarantee? There's no guarantee in trading. The minute you place a trade, buy or sell, there's no guarantee that you're going to win. So someone in the chat box, right, the market has variables. Oh, you do understand. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. The market has variables. So that simply means there are so many things that are factored in to go against you. Okay, right, time slots. So we have different opening sessions. We have different market times, all right? Okay. We have different time slots. We have different currency pairs. Okay, so we've got time slots, we've got currency pairs. Someone else put something in the chat box. What other variables do we have in regards to trading? Yeah, global news. So I'm more talking about technical analysis, but technical analysis, fundamental global news, banks. Aye, banks. Thank you. The banks, strategies, Oh my gosh, brokers, guys. I hope you're writing these down. Brokers, strategies, the banks, fundamental global news. Do you know that the news is just an excuse? The news just wants to just take over there and over. The news is just an excuse, literally. Yeah, the news is just an excuse. Once you understand smart money concepts, you understand the news is just an excuse to drive it wherever they want it to drive. Indicators, different trends, trading account size. So these are all the different variables. Now imagine putting all these variables into one pot and we are trying to trade it. Us, one person, we are classed as retail traders. They call us the retail suckers. We are retail traders and we are fighting against these variables. Put the word, I am fighting against these variables. That's it. I'm fighting against these variables. Okay. That's what we're dealing with. So now you have a wider scope of, okay, this is what we're dealing with. I'm coming into something completely separate from what I'm used to. Because what's happening is people are bringing their junk, or not junk, they're bringing what they're used to, they're bringing it into trading and say, well, because I've achieved this in school, this grade in school, my level of intellectualism is up here, I'm going to succeed as a trader. No, scrap that, start again. Write this down, scrap that, start again. Scrap that, start again. I've been humbled by the markets. Who's been humbled by the markets? The markets have humbled me. The markets have humbled me. Scrap that, start again. So you now understand, okay, I'm coming into the world of trading. I'm coming into the world of trading. Yeah, someone wrote, my GCSE is no good here. My A levels, my degree is no good here. It's not. I'm fighting against these variables. What can I do? I have to have systems, right? The word systems. Systems have to be put in place. And this is why our topic is effort versus reward. You have used and utilized your efforts in the marketplace before, so you are expecting a reward. Scrap that, start again. Again, I'll repeat that. You've utilized your efforts in your job, your 9-to-5 job, and based on your efforts, you get rewarded. You get pay increases. Scrap that, start again. These markets will humble you. Jessica's written A-level maths, and out here we're struggling to count pips. Scrap that, start again. Come into trading humbled. I listen to the market. I watch the market. What is the market telling me? What is the market telling me? What is the market telling me? What are you telling me? Scrap that, start again. Now, when you come with that mindset, you're ready to go. You're ready to make your money trading. You're ready to elevate. You're ready to start to see residual income, passive income, 6 figures. You're ready to see that. The markets will humble you with force. Yes. Are we all on the same page? This is why you need to plug into these sessions every Tuesday at 10:20. Okay, trading psychology. And I might do I'll do chart markings up on a Monday, like price trap teaching and stuff like that. All right. But on a Tuesday, trading psychology, because you need to understand what you're getting yourself into. Laura's like, yes, please. PTP. You need to understand what you are getting yourself into. Trading is a foreign world. It's a foreign exchange. It's exchanging what you think you know to what you need to know. Who understands that? What you think you know to what you need to know. That's why you need a mentor. Someone write mentor in the group chat. And write this down also. A mentor is a mental tutor. Write this down. A mentor is a mental tutor. The key word is mental. If you come here by yourself thinking you've got it, again, the markets are going to humble you. Pride comes before destruction. So you need a mentor. You need someone like your upline who invited you. Hope, all with respect, they've got a good trading track record. You need to plug into the educators. That's why, I'm not being funny, we all need the system. We all need the educators. Right now, I am still learning. Friday night, I think after my kids have gone to bed, this is 12 o'clock at night, I was on manicure sessions. Marking up charts. Never get too big for your boots. Never get too big for your boots. I'm saying that to you now. Never get too big for your boots. I was on manicure session, marking up my charts. Why? Because I have not hit 6 figures in trading yet. If I've not hit 6 figures in trading yet, me personally, humble yourself, Kof. If you've not hit 6 figures in trading yet, humble yourself, please. Once you've hit 6 figures, you can talk to me. Yeah. Once you've hit 1 million, you can talk to me. Until then, humble yourself. Kofi, humble yourself, because I've not hit 6 figures trading. So I'm not the be all and end all because I've not hit that target. Once I've hit 6 figures, I now have a realm of authority. Let me tell you why. Because when you hit 6 figures, you then move into the 1%. Majority of us were still in the 95%, 60% employed, 35% self-employed. Who understands what I'm saying? So until we move into the 1%, zip it. Humble yourself. I'm still learning. So don't think, oh my gosh, I've won 10 trades. I know what I'm doing. I can leave the company. You're crazy. You've lost this. You lost your mind. If me after 1 year and a half, and you guys have seen my trading results, and you've seen what I've been like, yet I'm still watching educator after educator, and I'm plugging in, humbling myself, still learning. Who are you to be thinking, I've won 10 trades in a row, I've got this. I don't need the company no more. Until you become a six-figure earner, just relax. Just relax. Relax and eat with everyone else at the table. Eat together with us. Don't think, oh, I'm a lone ranger, I can do it by myself. No. Eat together at the table. Plug into the educators. Yes, people can utilize me, but go back to the educators. Why? Because they've hit six figures. Christopher Derrick turned 182. Write this in the chat box. $182 into 64,000 in one day. Who's hearing me? Christopher Derrick turned $182 into 64,000 in one day. It's on YouTube. Type in 182 to 64K. In one day. Yeah, he did over leverage, yeah. But he's a genius. He knows what he's doing. And he's the king of flipping. But the bottom line is this. He did it in one day. He's a six-figure earner. Manny Quinones, six-figure earner. Baz, six-figure earner. All these people have made the money that we have not made. So we need to humble ourselves and plug into the education. That's why I'm saying effort versus reward. Bitwar says, get over yourself. Amazing. Effort versus reward. You cannot use that statement in trading. You cannot say, I put the effort in, therefore I should make. No, you have to be learning consistently, utilizing your rules. Someone write in the chat box, rules. Rules save my business. Rules save my business. All right. Rules save your trading account. That's what I spoke on last week. Remember we spoke about the greed effect. These are all things that we're still developing. These are things that I'm still working on because my mindset needs to be wrecked and started again. Who understands? Your mindset needs to be wrecked and started again. You need to change your paradigm. You need to change how you think. That's why I spoke to a certain person, which I'm going to have a meeting with afterwards. And I said, do you want me to mentor you? She went, yes. So that means your mindset is going to get wrecked. Because if you want me to mentor you, I'm going to undo what you've learned. Your mindset has to be wrecked. Your mindset has to be wrecked. Your mindset has to be changed. You can't be thinking the same way trying to get different results. Who understands? Who understands? I can see people on this call. I can see Tonale. I can see Kerry. I can see Laura. I can see Jessica. Their minds have been wrecked. Tonale's mind's been wrecked. She's been crushed. The accounts have crushed her. Trading has crushed her. It's crushed me. Who understands? You have to be wrecked. Say, I have to be wrecked. I have to be to the point where I'm so humble, I'm hitting face ground that the only way I can go is up. The only way I can go is up. And this is what's going to make us. And as we plug in together, we're going to understand how we're all going to be six-figure traders. Who wants to be a six-figure trader? Who here wants to be a six-figure trader? Who here wants to be? Because I only want to work with people that want to be six-figure traders. And so we can say we went through the process together, we lost money together, but we made money together. We now can, we are the head and not the tail. We are above and not beneath. We are lenders, not borrowers. That means we give. We give to other people. The bank of Kofi, the bank of Kerry, the bank of Laura, the bank of Tonale, the bank of Pashali. Who wants to be the bank? Who wants to be lending to people? Who wants to be helping out people? Well, you need to wreck your mind because effort versus reward, it doesn't work. Effort does not equal reward. It does not equal reward. Humility, write that word down. Humility equals your success. Humility equals your reward. Get onto the educators, watch them over and over and over again. Do what they're saying, like mimic what they're doing. If they have made six figures, you will too. I will make six figures because I'm watching. I'm like, okay, I need to understand more about institutional trading. I need to understand more about harmonic patterns. I need to understand supply and demand zones. I need to understand Wyckoff schematic. I need to understand. I need to learn, because this education will be the best education you've ever paid for. Who understands that? This education will be the best education you have ever paid for. Because this is going to change generations, not just yourself. What happens is this. We jump into a platform under 6 months. We've been in university for 3 years, schooling life for 18 years, but we want it within 3 months here. You are joking. You are playing games. You just come onto the platform and you want to be a millionaire tomorrow. You want to be a millionaire tomorrow. Yet you're you've invested £600. Imagine you've paid for a few months, yeah? You have invested £600, yet you want to make 6 figures tomorrow. But the whole of your schooling life has taught you to be broke. Who understands that? The whole of your schooling life has actually taught you to be broke and to be in poverty. Let's understand this, right? Let's think about it. In school, you're not taught about multiplication. Yes, in maths and Pythagoras theorem, but no one needs that. Hey, nobody needs that unless you want to be a physicist or a maths teacher. Okay, let me say that again. You're taught all these things that are not going to benefit you. When are we taught in maths in year 10 or year 11 or year 12 about budgeting? They will not teach you that. They're not going to teach you that. When are they saying to you, okay, this is what you do. You come out of college, you apply for university, but this is how you have to do it. So this is the student loan you take, and this is the principal amount you need to have, and this is how you're going to pay it off after X, Y, Z years. This is how you do it. You're not going to get taught that. You will never get taught that. The only people that will teach you that are your parents. And majority of parents won't teach you that because they do not know it. That's why I cannot take advice from my family who have not hit six figures. I've actually broken something generational. Not one person in my family, and I'm being real and I'm being vulnerable, has made 6 figures. Or even 60,000 a year. I'm making 60,000 a year in my bedroom from just sharing this company. 60K, and it's not going to stop there. Soon I'll be at 120. Who understands that? Drop some fire in the chat box. If you understand, very soon, your boy PTP will be making 120K a year. That's 10K a month, chairman 10. That's chairman 10 from my yard, in my bedroom. Let's deep that for a minute. Some people here have the poor mentality and the poor man's mindset. Don't want to share it with no one, don't want to help no one else, and you say it doesn't work. No, it's your mindset. I'm speaking it clearly. I'm saying it because when I say something, my mindset has to work towards it because I've said it. I'm telling you, very soon, I'll be chairman 10. I will not stop until I hit chairman 10 and I've impacted over 500 people's lives. Right? That's 120,000 a year. Right now, at 60K a year passive income, I've still broken something in my family. I was the first person. Why? Because of my mindset. I understood principles. I understood principles, and that's what I'm trying to teach you every single Tuesday about trading psychology, understanding principles. But too many people are too arrogant and not humble enough to learn from someone who's done it before. You see, Des, he was the best man at my wedding. He's one of my closest friends. He's the godparents to my children. Yet me, Kofi Ajiman, I was ignorant. I will say it to you. He came to me with this opportunity and I was like, no, 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 no. I was ignorant. Even though someone like Des has got businesses. Who understands? Des has businesses. Before this, He's a businessman. He's always looking for ideas to invest. He's already got multiple properties, but even before I am. So if I haven't got multiple properties, why am I not humbling myself to someone who has and listening? But me in my ignorance and my arrogance, I was like, I don't need your help. Who understands that? I didn't say that to him, but in my heart, I was like, I don't need your help. Who came back on their knees? Kofi, your boy Kofi. I came back on my knees saying, hey, Les, so what's this 1,000 a month passive? Hey, what is this? Philip. So I came back on my knees 7 months later because I needed change. Who needs change right now? I needed change. So I humbled myself and came to Des. That's why even now, me and Des are extremely close. We are extremely close in friendship and family, yet I humble myself as he is my mentor. Who understands that? Friendship goes out the window. He is my mentor, so I listen to what he says. When Des speaks, I make notes. But some people breed so much familiarity, it breeds contempt. That means because you're friends, you think you know, oh no, if Des is chairman 25, let's just deep that for a minute, 25,000 per month. Can we understand that? Whatever you guys think about that, I don't want to share it. I don't want to do that. He's earning, oh my gosh, he's earning $250,000 per year. And we have the arrogance to say what he's doing is wrong. Come on, get out of here. Get out of here. That's why for me, I get so passionate on these calls. I'm like, some people are so ignorant, I haven't got time for that. Unless you're making 25,000 a month, keep your mouth zipped. Who understands that? Unless you're making 5,000 a month, keep your mouth zipped. Don't tell me what you need to do. I will tell you what you need to do. Why? Because I've been there. Who understands that? The same with Des. Des, I can't tell you nothing. What? Yes, boss. Okay, boss. What do I do, boss? Yes, cool. Yes, I write it down. I study. Des drops nuggets to me. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's building me up. It's the same when it comes to trading. Who understands that? You cannot tell Christopher Derrick. Some people, sometimes I see on the chat box with Christopher Derrick, because Christopher Derrick is really irate, okay? If you ever go in these sessions, he gets frustrated. Because people are talking so much and they're not watching. They're not actually writing down, they're asking questions. And he's like, if you would just listen, if you just listen with your eyes, deep that, listen with your eyes, you will get to see. That's how I learned from him. I didn't say a word, I zipped it. I just watched him and replicated. I watched him and replicated. So when it comes to trading, connect with the people that have done it. Connect with the people that have got the results and be like, okay, yes, sir, no, sir, 3 bags full, sir. And I'm telling you, in the best form of humility, yes, sir, no, sir, 3 bags full, sir. Humble yourself. If I'm still humbling myself and you've seen what I've got to and what I've achieved, if I'm still humbling myself and I'm still learning from the best educators on the platform, please humble yourself. I'm still watching trading psychology videos. I'm still going to people that have made it and listening and writing notes. What have they done? Okay, what do I need to focus on, Kof? Okay, my mindset. Okay, I'm very good with the technical. Now it's my mindset. My mindset sometimes stops me from making more money. Okay, my mindset, Kof. What can I do to change my mindset? Okay, watch more trading psychology videos. Yet there are people, I tell people about this every single Tuesday and they never want to plug in. Because in their ignorance and arrogance, they believe they have it all because they're making money trading. But one day the markets will crush them and they will be the first people to leave. Who understands that? So guys, I'm going to wrap up in a minute because you know I like to just drop these nuggets and bounce. All right. But what I want to say, what I really want to say is this. Effort versus reward, or effort equals reward. In trading, stop that, scrap that, start again. Now we're going to write humility brings results. Who understands that? Receive that. Humility brings results. Humility, write this in the chat box. Humility brings results. Okay. Humility brings results. That is that we've now cancelled out efforts versus rewards, or efforts equals rewards. We're now saying humility brings results. Plug into your upline if they're good traders. Plug into the educators. Plug in. I want to see everybody become successful. Hey, Angeliki, no worries. I'm finishing up anyway. Okay, I'm finishing up anyway. All right, let us all win. Humility brings results, guys. I'm excited. I'm excited for everyone on this call. I hope you hear my passion and my fire, and you know it's just pure love. It's not, I'm not blasting no one. I'm just passionate because I want to see change. Guys, let me know if you've got some nuggets from today's session, if you've understood the topic and you've learned something new. Okay, wow. I see the fire, definitely. Bitwell, Bitwell says his mind is blown. Thank you. Great session. Thank you. Guys, I honor you. I really do honor you. Where's your church, Kofi? Because I need to. You know what, Sylvie? This is my church. God told me this is my ministry. I want to say one thing, guys. Trading is not even my ministry. My ministry is this: imparting knowledge to you guys. That's my ministry. That's what God's called me to do. Seriously. My mandate is to help change your thought processes, that we all become six-figure earners, all right? Trading is just a skill set that God has blessed me with, all right? So, guys, I love you. Have a great day. Have a great day. Guys, take care and God bless. Guys, by the way, blow up in the chat box. I think I've missed the beginning. Yeah, it'll be uploaded. I'll do it now. Yeah, blow it up in the chat box. Not here, in the Team Excel group, in the FTA group, in AMI Finance group. Like, blow it up because people need to jump on this call. The more hype we create, the more people will jump on, the more value they'll be getting. Also, tag me on what you call it? Insta, yeah? Guys, I love you. Have a great day. Take care. God bless.